In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation of the coding exercise that we just completed. The problem asks us to write a while loop that executes while num is greater than 4, outputs the value of num to the console each iteration, and decrements the value of num on each iteration. It starts us off with an int variable num, initialized to a value of 8. Let's create a while loop that executes while num is greater than 4. Inside of here, we will output num to the console. Then we will decrement the value of num using the minus operator. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.